creating forms and quizzes has been made a lot simple due to the feature of Google Forms. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create Google Form. So you can play it or use it from Play Store or App Store, but I'm going to use it from my browser right now. You click in Google Forms, you click on the first one, you go to Forms, and now you're going to write in the title of the form here anything that you want. You can even enter some description. You can bold it, italic it, underline it as per your wish. So now you can ask some questions here. Anything you like, you can keep in option. You can add other options, and you can even add more options. So this is how you do it. If it's a multiple choice, you click on here and click on multiple choice, and if it's not, you click on check boxes as per your wish. So if you want another box, you just click on this three dot icon, duplicate item, and you can do it as per your wish all over again. So this is how you create Google Form, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.